In this video, I'm going to show you how to change clothes in Canva. I'm going to change this girl's dress from this to this. So to do that, just go to the Apps tab on the left side of your screen. Then in the search bar, search for Try On. Click this app and click Open to get started. After that, click this purple button to sign in. Click Connect. And choose Continue with Google, Apple, or your email. After you signed in, you can upload a photo for the model and the clothing. After you choose the model and clothing, click Try It On. And after that, you just have to wait until the process is done. Once it's done, you can add it to the canvas by clicking this Add to Design button. So that's how to change clothes in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.